வண்டி வந்து ஹார்ஸ் கம்மி தான், ஆனால் ரேஸ் வந்து அதிகமாக இருக்குல்ல.
Hey, what's up YouTube? Welcome back to another video on my YouTube channel. It's a pleasant Sunday morning and I'm on my way to MDK on my RS 457. It's been around 2 weeks since I took my bike out to ECR. We are a little bit late today. I was supposed to start this ride by around 5 o'clock in the morning, but it's already 5:30 and I'm running late. Mohit, who owns an RS 457, is waiting near KFC, so I'll be reaching there in a couple of minutes. Friend on RS 457 will be joining with us near Gindi, and post that Anirudh on his new gen R3 will be joining with us at Tirvanmur. So this is the plan for now. Propalam. The time is around 5:40 and we have started from Ashok Nagar. We have Mohit on his RS 457 and his friend is riding with us on Pulsar NS 400. Now reached Tirvanmur, and I guess Anirudh on his R3 will be waiting here. The next point will be at ECR toll, where Kalyan will be joining with us on RC 390. Anirudh is fueling up his R3 at Shell petrol bunk here, so we need to wait for a couple of minutes again, and once he arrives we are good to start. We'll stop near ECR toll. Kalyan on his BS3 RC 390 is waiting for the past 45 minutes near Uttandi toll gate. We are going to take it real slow and easy today. We are not going to cross 100 kilometers per hour till Mahabalipuram, because Suren already got a speeding challan the last time when we came to ECR. So we are not ready to pay again. Alright, we have reached ECR toll gate, and Kalyan on his BS3 RC 390 will be joining with us from here.
You made it.
On we'll go. It's already too late. We will stop near kovalam. அங்கே இருப்பாங்கல்ல, அவங்க கூட அப்படியே ஜாயின் பண்ணிக்கலாம். So our next stop will be near kovalam, and that is going to be our final meetup point. From there we can meet Sujit and his friends. Then we will continue our ride till MDK. We have reached Kovalam, and I'm just looking for that cafe which Sujit told me. Hi Sujit.
நீங்க லீட் பண்ணுங்க, ரூட் எங்களுக்கு தெரியாது மொத்தம்.
ஒரே ரோடு தான்.
அப்படியே நீங்களே லீட் பண்ணுங்க.
All right, finally we have gathered everyone with us and we have started our ride.
இந்த வண்டி வந்து நம்ம வண்டி வந்து
ரைட் லைட் பிளாக் பண்ணா கொஞ்சம் ஸ்பேஸ் கொடுங்க.
டெண்டர் ஃப்ரண்ட் ஆதரோ
வண்டி நீங்க திருப்பி போலாம். ஏன்னா அந்த வண்டி தானா ரேட் வண்டி வந்து ஹார்ஸ் கம்மி தான், ஆனால் ரேஸ் வந்து அதிகமாக இருக்குல்ல, பப்ளிக் கம்ப்ளைண்ட் பண்ணிக்காங்க. அதனால் அந்த வண்டி வந்து உள்ளே போக திருப்பி போகிறாங்க, கேஸ் போடுறாங்க. இப்போ திருப்பி போயிடுது, வண்டி ஜாமாது.
ஏன் சார்? இல்லை சார், ஸ்லோவாக தான் சார் போகிறோம்.
திருப்பி போட்டு அங்கே கேஸ் போட்டுருக்காங்க, ஆன்டி கம்ப்ளைண்ட் திருப்பி பண்ணிட்டு.
it's a very bad morning for bikers at ECR because they are not allowing us to go post kovalam. It's really disappointing to see that. I've been riding to ECR for the past 8 years and I have never ever faced this situation till now. As of now, we have some alternate plans to go to MDK, but I'm not sure how it's going to work out. So let's see. This is the first time I'm riding in this route. I haven't taken Tirupurur bypass till now. இது கரெக்டான ரூட்டு தான். Because just 650 is running on an aftermarket exhaust. Finally MDK is here. Oh my god, we have lots of super bikes here. To ride the new generation Yamaha R3 now. Let's see how it pulls. The high revving engine of R3 is insane. No words to express. Look at the way how the bike pulls. I personally love it a lot. We'll make a U-turn here. See, I'm in second gear. The bike easily pulls. Alright, so we are finally done with all the photo shoots at MDK and now we are returning back to home. My GoPro battery is about to die, so I'm not sure how long I'll be able to vlog. Alright, see you guys. That's how one should roll from MDK. Somewhere near Kovalam we have stopped for breakfast here. The bike is all lined up and we are literally hungry. We need to have something because we haven't ate anything since morning. So we will have a quick breakfast here. Okay, we are done with our breakfast and now it's time to head back home. When we start, we will do 0 to 100. அவ்வளவுதான். Kalyan on RC390 called me for a 0 to 100 drag race because we know that there are speed cameras at ECR, so we are just doing a 0 to 100. Not more than that. We can see police right there. LMA stock, sir. They let us go because we didn't had any aftermarket exhaust installed on our bikes. You don't need to worry about the police when you have all the documents correct and when you have the stock bike with you. Now I have disabled the traction and let's do a rolling drag race on first gear at 25 kilometers per hour. So it is going to be a 0 to 100. Let's see. That was a good rolling drag race between the RC390 and the RS457, but you know, such an impressive motorcycle that RC390 is. You know, it's an around 8 or 9 years old, I guess. I'm not sure about how old it is, but it is still keeping up with the twin cylinder RS457 even in 2025. That is something which we need to appreciate about the KTM RC390. One hell of a machine. It's a monster, no doubt in it. I'm really impressed with the performance of this bike. We are almost near Thiruvanmiyur and I think Anirudh on his R3 needs to take a right here and probably I'll be going straight to reach my place. அப்படியே ஸ்ட்ரைட்டாக போகிறேன். சைடில் வண்டி வருது, நீங்கள் பார்க்காம கட் பண்ணுறீங்க. We have finally completed our Sunday breakfast ride today. I was riding my RS457 in peak noon time and I was redlining the bike, so the bike's temperature has increased drastically and I was able to feel the heat throughout my body. Like I just came to my home, turned off the bike for a while I thought of it can get cooled down for some time, and again I'm just shooting the video now. So the overall distance which we have covered today is 210 kilometers, and the max speed attained is 180 kilometers per hour. The fuel efficiency throughout this ride is 20.5 kmpl, and nothing went as per the plan. So that's the reason why the ride time was too much. We were supposed to return by around 9 or 10 o'clock maximum in the morning, but we returned at around 12 or 12:30. I will take this as a lesson, and I will make sure that during our next ride we will plan things properly so that no one is going to reach to their home too late. So my next ride is going to be on the first week of May. So basically I'll be doing Sunday morning breakfast ride in alternate weeks. Since I went today, I'll be going again on May first week, and it's not going to be MDK again because I really had a bad time today with the cops. Since they asked me to stop, they asked everyone to make an U-turn. It was a bad experience for all of us. So in my next ride I'm planning to go to 99 kilometers coffee, which is located close to Dindivanam. So that's all about today. I'll see you guys in another video very soon. Till then, ride safe, wear helmet, and take care.